I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and I'm installing my Crystala filter here in my Maytag refrigerator. So I'm going to go ahead and start by opening the filter compartment, and mine, this is located in the upper right of the fridge. You can see we just press that little tab in, kind of pull this down. Now we're going to rotate the filter to the side. It's a little hard, so I'm just going to pull it up here, separate it from the holder, and then rotate it and pull it out. So you're going to do about a quarter turn to the left. You might get some water coming out, so just be ready for that. Now we're going to take the new filter, just insert it in, and then do a quarter turn to the right, like this, and then lock it back in, close that little door, and now we've got our new filter. Now our next step is we've got to run about 3 to 5 gallons through. And you can see when you first do that, you're going to get this sputtering of air in the line. You want to clear all that air out, and also run water through to prime that filter and get it ready. So you can see I'm just filling up these. I use them in my plants. Don't drink this first set. Clean the filter out. And our final step is we're just going to reset the filter light. In my fridge, you just hold these buttons in for 3 seconds, and your water filter light will reset. And that's how we install our new Crystala filter in the Maytag fridge.